What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, baseball fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in live in HD at 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Eastern here in Wisconsin. This is the 2011 Topps Tier 1 baseball break. Go over the roster first. These are in order by eBay user ID. We'll go nice and slow, let you find yourself. Get it focused in quick. There we go. And here's the box for tonight. And this one is one pack, 7 cards, at least 2 autographs, and 1 jersey card included. Here we go. Here's the pack. Alright, good luck, everybody. Start with the bottom card first. Up first for the New York Yankees. Very nice Thurman Munson green parallel. This one is numbered 155 out of 199. Yankees tonight are going to Nana523. Very cool card. And if you haven't seen these cards, they do print them on the nice thick stock. Always helps with the resale. Up next, Kansas City Royals rookie card, Mike Moustakas. Royals tonight are going to Smear Montes. And this one numbered 775 out of 799. Very nice looking rookie card. One of the top prospects in baseball. Nice hit. Up next, San Diego Padres, Tony Gwynn. Looks like the original Tony Gwynn. And this one numbered 255 out of 799. Give that a second to focus. Padres tonight are going to DGJG 2001. Up next for the St. Louis Cardinals, Stan Musial. Very cool old timer card. This one numbered 327 out of 799. Cardinals tonight going to DGJG 2001 as well. Nice ball. To the hits. First hit going to the Arizona Diamondbacks. On card autograph, very fine young pitcher, Daniel Hudson. Diamondbacks going to Matthew James 42. This one is numbered 263 out of 699. Again, that is a on-card autograph. Nice hit. Up next is going to the LA Dodgers, D. Gordon, on card autograph as well. This one numbered 923 out of 999. And this one going to Pat Kelly 12, otherwise known as Joseph. Nice hit, Joe. Top young shortstops in the game. And last up for the Chicago Cubs redemption card for Ryan Sandberg. Top shelf relic. Could be a very cool looking card. Fortunately, we won't see it today. Cubs are going to DGJG 2001. Thanks again, everybody, for getting in the Topps Tier 1 break tonight. Sold out for the rest of the night, but we got a bunch of eBay ending tomorrow night and a ton of breaks Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday night. So get on, get your spots. Have a good night, guys.